What if you could build a sturdy cedar raised garden bed for less than $32 and have it last up to 10 years? Let's build one. What if you could build a sturdy cedar raised garden bed for less than $32 and have it last up to 10 years? No fancy tools, no complicated plans, just 8 pieces of lumber, a handful of deck screws, and about an hour of your time. Let's build one. Here's the shopping list. 6 cedar fence pickets, 6 feet long and 5.5 inches wide at $3.98 each. 2 fir 2x4s, 8 feet long, also $3.98 each. Add exterior deck screws and you're ready to build. Total lumber cost comes in at just under $32. Not bad for something that can grow years of fresh vegetables. Cut 6 cedar pickets into 3-foot lengths. Stack 3 boards high for each side. That gives you a bed about 16 inches tall. Cut the 2x4s into 4 16-inch corner posts. Now attach each side to the corner posts using deck screws. Keep everything square and snug. Before long, you'll have a sturdy 3-foot by 3-foot garden bed. It's basically adult-sized building blocks with vegetables at the end. Cedar naturally resists rot and insects, making it one of the best choices for raised beds. The corner posts add strength, while deck screws resist rust far better than ordinary screws. Fill the bed with quality garden soil and compost, then start planting. The smaller 3-foot square size also makes watering, weeding, and harvesting easier. Your back might not send a thank you card, but it will appreciate the effort. Here's the big takeaway. A raised bed doesn't have to be expensive. Cedar helps it last longer. Deck screws add durability. The compact size makes gardening easier. And best of all, you can build it yourself in an afternoon. Start with one 3-foot bed for fast results. Bonus tip: add a layer of cardboard underneath before filling with soil to help suppress weeds. Build one this weekend and see how much food a small space can grow. If this was helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future gardening projects. Watch the next video on your screen right now. It's packed with another simple gardening idea just for you. See you soon.